Hi, I'm Stuart Shih. I'm a director of software architecture at Fidelity Investments, and I just want to spend a few minutes today talking about my path in the IT industry. So for me, early on, I was lucky enough to take a class in computer science during elementary school during a summer, and really that really piqued my interest, right? Anytime I'd be playing a video game or looking at a complex web page, I'd be wondering just how somebody did that, and that's what I really wanted to do moving forward. A little bit about my educational background. I did my undergrad in computer science at University of Virginia and also did my grad school work there as well. I talked a little bit about my role, which is as a software architect. So, what is software architecture? Just like if you're building a house, you need a blueprint and a good foundation. As you're building something complex like a software application, you need the same thing, right? Um, we need to figure out how do you best build a solution, what tools do you use to build the solution, and if you're working with multiple teams, just making sure that they're building it in a way that comes together at the end, right? So these are all questions that a software architect helps answer. From a day to day, my job split between managing a team of software architects and also participating in that role. So we primarily focus on the user interface side of web applications, but like I mentioned before, we help development teams at Fidelity figure out best way to solve an existing problem or create a new feature, whether that's designing it or coding it. If we see common problems as we work across multiple teams, we work with other software architects to try to create a solution that all the development teams can use moving forward and in the future. So my best advice for those entering the IT field, just be curious and really try to challenge yourself, right? For me, being in the IT industry is so rewarding because we're solving problems or coming up with solutions that make our life easier for our customers. So being curious is always just asking yourself, how do I improve things for my customer? How do I improve things that I do for myself, right? And really, again, just look for any opportunities to challenge yourself, right? Don't be afraid to fail. Some of the greatest learnings and experience I've had are from just failures that came out from doing new work. So don't be afraid to try something new, right? It helps you learn. It helps you figure out where you want to be moving forward. So good luck if you're going into the IT industry. It's a great time to be in this field, and there's nowhere else I'd want to be right now.